Today I am going to deal with the question answers of chapter 9 standard 8 SS, and today is the fourth lecture of this chapter. Standard 8 SS chapter 9 lecture 4. Now first question. First question. What was the salary of the soldiers? What was the salary of the soldiers in the military? My dear student, Indian soldiers were getting 7 rupees, while the British officer, British soldier, he was getting 150 rupees per month. Okay, so it was vast difference. Okay, so Indian soldiers were getting 7 rupees, while the British soldiers were getting 150 rupees per month. So there was a vast difference between the Indian soldier salary of Indian soldier and the British soldier. British soldiers were getting more money, while Indian soldiers they were getting less money. Indian soldiers they were getting only 7 rupees, while the British soldiers they were getting 150 rupees. Got it? Next question. When was it planned? When was it planned to start the revolt of 1857 CE? Okay, which date was decided? Which date was decided to start the revolt? It was the 31st May. It was the 31st May, but due to some problem it started earlier. Okay, here I have asked decided date. Okay, not started, decided. So which was it planned to start the revolt of 1857? Answer: the revolt of 1857 CE was planned to start on 31st May. It was decided to start on 31st May, but due to some problem it started on 10th May, 21 days earlier. Okay, so next one. When was a new rifle? When was a new rifle introduced, and what was its name? What was its name? Okay, new rifle, that is called Enfield rifle. That is called Enfield rifle, and it was introduced in January 1857. Enfield rifle, a new rifle, was introduced in the month January 1857. Okay, and the name was Enfield rifle. Enfield rifle. A new rifle was introduced in January 1857. Its name was Enfield rifle. Enfield rifle. Okay. My next question is, who was the first martyr of the revolt of 1857? Martyr means Sahid. Martyr means Sahid. Okay, one who dies for a noble cause. Na? That is called martyr. Okay, so who was the first martyr of the revolt of 1857? Correct. The correct answer is Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey, a Brahmin person. Okay, he was the first martyr. Why? Because he refused to use the new rifle, Enfield rifle. Okay, he refused. He said he will not use this rifle. Why? Because the cap of the cartridge was its cap now was removed by the mouth, and the cap was made of fat of pig and cow. Okay, and because of that, okay, so Mangal Pandey, the 26 years old soldier, okay, the 26 years old soldier of the 19th battalion of Barakpur. Mangal Pandey, the 26 years old soldier of the 19th battalion of Barakpur, who refused to use the Enfield rifle. He denied. He said no, he will not use the new rifle. Okay, Enfield rifle was the first martyr of the revolt of 1857. Okay, my dear students, my next question is, who was the trustworthy person? Vishwasu. Trustworthy means Vishwasu, faithful. Who was the trustworthy person for Nana Sahib Peshwa? Nana Sahib Peshwa was the leader in Kanpur. He was from Kanpur, Nana Sahib Peshwa. And who was the trustworthy person for Nana Sahib Peshwa? Answer: Tatya Tope. Who was that? Tatya Tope was the trustworthy person for Nana Sahib Peshwa. And my dear student, Nana Sahib Tatya Tope was the commander in chief. Tatya Tope was the commander in chief. Okay, and that's why he was the trustworthy person for Nana Sahib Peshwa. So who was the trustworthy person for Nana Sahib Peshwa? So answer is Tatya Tope. What is that? Tatya Tope was the trustworthy person for Nana Sahib Peshwa. Okay. Next question. Who was the last Mughal emperor? Who was the last Mughal emperor of Delhi? My dear student, I said in my last video I said about Delhi, Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar was the last Mughal emperor, okay, who took the leadership of the revolt in Delhi. Bahadur Shah Zafar was the leader of the revolt of 1857 in Delhi, okay. So answer: Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar, who was Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar was the last Mughal emperor of Delhi. Who was that? Bahadur Shah Zafar. Next question. Who undertook the leadership? Leader, okay, main person. Who undertook the leadership of the revolt in Jhansi? Revolt of 1857. Revolt of 1857. Who was the leader? Yeah, correct. Queen Rani Lakshmibai, na? Rani Lakshmibai. Queen Lakshmibai. Her name, another name was Manikarnika. Another name was Chabili. Mannu. Okay, many names she had. Okay, she was known by Chabili. She was known by Mannu, and her real name was Manikarnika. What was her real name? Manikarnika. Later on, she came to be known as Lakshmi Bai. Okay, so who undertook the leadership of the revolt in Jhansi? The correct answer is Queen Lakshmi Bai. Manikarnika, Chabili, Mannu. Okay, you can write down, but it is good to write down Lakshmi Bai. Okay, so Queen Lakshmi Bai undertook the leadership of the revolt in Jhansi. Okay, next, what was the secret symbol? What was the secret symbol for civilians and soldiers? Both for civilians and soldiers who wanted to join the revolt. Okay, if you want to join in a revolt, okay, some symbols were there, and whoever accepts the symbols, it means they are ready to join, they are ready to die for the country. And the symbols were roti and lotus. Okay, lotus and roti were the symbols. Okay, whoever accept the lotus and accept roti, it means they are ready to join revolt of 1857. Answer: the symbols for civilians and soldiers, the symbols for civilians and soldiers who wanted to join the revolt, was lotus and roti. Kamal and roti. Okay, what were the symbols? Lotus and roti. Next question. When did the revolt of 1857 start? Actually, the decided date was 31st May. Okay, which date was decided? 31st May, but it started earlier. So when did it start? So answer is the revolt of 1857 started. The revolt of 1857 started on 10th May. On which date? 10th May. It's supposed to start on 31st, but it started 21 days earlier on 10th May. Next time we will learn more question answer. Thank you.